Alright guys, welcome back to the video. We are going to clean the glass on the Nissan Versa. We're going to go ahead and use a glass sealant. That way we can seal it, that we can make a beading of the water. That way it's a lot easier to clean off the vehicle. And the windshield wipers do not have to actually work harder. We'll go ahead and apply it to half the vehicle, and then I'll just do the rest on the other side. We're going to do the front side, passenger and driver side doors or windows, and then we're going to go ahead and do the rear. You can do the whole vehicle if you would like. If not, no big deal, but the more visibility you have from this, the better. We're going to do a crosshatch pattern. That just means you have to cross your stroke. So if you go horizontal, you have to go vertical the second time. And if you go zigzag, just do the zigzag on the other way. And then just wipe it off in the end and you're done. So if you have any questions, please link them down, or please put it down in the description and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. We're gonna go ahead and clean off the windshield with some glass cleaner. And then we're gonna go ahead and use the glass sealant. I use it by the Gas Garage. It's gonna last a very long time because you only put it on your vehicle every like 6 months just to maintain it. That's a rough estimate. It's not recommended, but it depends on your area and how much rain you actually get. So we're gonna go ahead and clean off the windshield, and then we'll go ahead and apply it. The surface is a little rough. Go ahead and use some glass cleaning clay and then apply the sealant with an overlapping cross-hatch pattern, allowing to dry and haze, and apply a second coat. Once final coat hazes, buff out using a clean microfiber towel or cloth and reapply once beading diminishes. So that's just a rough estimate of when it is. Usually I do it every 6 months just to keep like a routine. You don't have to do it per that basis. You can do it more often or not, depending on where you live. Again, we're gonna do a small little dabble. You do not need a whole lot on this process. I like to do the edges first, and then work your way to the middle. Cross patterns, either you do this and this, or this way and that way with the next coat. Now I like to use this process on the front glass and then the passenger and the driver's side vehicle. You can do the whole car if you would like. I mean, that's a lot of product, but if you can justify the amount of money that it is for the bottle, then just go ahead and do the whole vehicle. It actually saves you a lot of time, and when you're cleaning a vehicle, it's very easy to get that water off. So keep that in mind. You saw in the last clip that the haze was on this half of the vehicle, and then you want to go ahead and go the other way, so that way you're cross-hatching, so you're not going the same way and you're covering most of the windshield or all of it. So just cross-hatch. And then do the other half of the vehicle, and then whenever it's doing this, it's hazing again like you saw in that clip, just go ahead and wipe it off with the dry microfiber towel and you're done.